Live Talks channel is started by me for the purpose of sharing the life experiences for learning for all classes of life. May it be a young person, may it be a professional, may it be an old man. Now, Live Talks is about to know the essence of life. What is the essence of life? Life is not about to earn. Life is not about to have homes around. Life is not about to have cars and luxuries around. Life is about to learn about life. The more you learn about life, the more you will enjoy the life. Now, the purpose of Live Talks is to share the essence of self-contentment. What is self-contentment? It's a very important concept to live a happy life. It is to drive joy, happiness, and peace from every moment you live in life. What we see in the life is to many people spend their very important part of life in struggle, a meaningless struggle, because we lost the opportunity to learn life. We are not in a society which develops our mind to learn the life. We are just like social animals which keep on struggling. At the end of the day, what we drive from life is disappointment, is disparity, deprivation, all the negatives, all name any negative connotation, you will have it in your life. We don't hear from people admiring life. We always observe people sharing negative ideas about life. This is bad, this is wrong, he is stupid, he is ignorant. No, we are not ready to learn about life. That's why we have a dissatisfied society. Because we are not after self-contentment. We are after material things. Yes, material things are very important, but we fail to drive. We fail to drive the fruit of that material things. We don't enjoy things. We don't laugh. We don't share and care. We always feel about ourselves, about all the people, that they are cosmetic. They are fabricated. We don't share natural things. Now, Live Talks is about to connect all the material things around us to the ultimate goal of self-contentment. We'll be discussing on various aspects of life, be it religion, be it social spectrum, be it poverty, be it glamour, be it education, professional, career counseling, name it. We'll have a diaspora, we'll have an array of topics to discuss. But again, the topic will be chosen by me or by you. I'll be going on your suggestions. My point is that we here create a platform where I can contribute by sharing my experiences and my learnings with all of you. And you may reciprocate by talking with me, suggesting with me through your likes and comments. We'll create an environment, we'll create a platform where I and you become we, and we learn from life. Life is to live. Life is not to suffer. Life is not to spend only. Life is to live. You have to make your time quality. You have to spend a quality time. For that quality time, you have to appreciate things. You have to be a thankful person. You have to be the compromising person. You have to let some things forgo from your life. You're not here to take responsibility of everything around you. You are here to make a contribution, a positive contribution. You're not here to criticize people around you. You are here to appreciate people, appreciate yourself, appreciate people around you. You are here to develop small teams. You are here to develop a mindset which nurture a healthy society, which gives happiness and joy to every person living here. We'll be hunting ways how to achieve the goal of self-contentment in life. I'll be sharing in my next topic, in my next YouTube appearance, I'll be sharing some of the very vital topics about how to achieve self-contentment, and we'll be starting a discussion on deeper parts of life which gives happiness to all of us. We'll be discussing events, we'll be discussing books, we'll be discussing real-time stories of successful persons, of failures who are unsung heroes now. We'll be discussing a lot of things. I want your support. I want you to share my channel with your social circle and like and comment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next YouTube appearance. Thank you very much.